In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover accidentally closed tabs on Safari on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Safari web browser. Here I have some website open, and now if we hit right here at that button we can check all our open tabs. Now I can open a couple of tabs to show you how it works. Now we have 5 tabs open, and here we got a couple of options how we can close them. Let's say I accidentally closed that tab, or I can also accidentally close several tabs at once. I can just long press at some tab right here, and then we can, let's say, choose close other tabs. That's how we can easily close several tabs at once. And let's say we just did it by accident and now we would like to recover them. In this case, all we have to do is just long press at this plus button here. And what that will do, that will show us our Safari watch history, and from here we can easily, one by one, recover all closed tabs in that simple way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.